So you want help installing a drip irrigation system for raised beds? You're in luck. I just installed one recently that is super easy and versatile. In this video, I will show you the quick and simple way to install it. Tom Lanier here with Sprinkler Pros with images from a recent trip to St. George, Utah, where my dad lives. Most of these images are around the beautiful Virgin River that flows through town from nearby Zion National Park and ends up merging with the Colorado River. Stick around to the end of this helpful video to see the 4 main tools I use for all my drip system work. Today's project photos were taken a few months ago on a job I did in Santa Maria, California. Before we begin, I'd like to preface this video by saying that I only use professional grade products which typically can't be purchased at home centers or hardware stores. I have this policy due to the quality difference, the warranties, and the ease of use. Regarding drip systems, this holds true as well, along with one biggie that most people don't know. The size of what is commonly called half-inch tubing is not the same size between manufacturers. The size is actually stated in a decimal expression such as 0.700 inches or 0.710 inches, and a true half-inch is of course 0.5 inch. Why am I telling you all this seemingly inconsequential information? Well, because if you want a true professional to ever work on your drip system, you'll want to have compatible tubing in place now. A professional landscape irrigation supply is where you'll normally want to get these materials so you can get the professional sized tubing and fittings. The stuff at the home centers and hardware stores tends to be smaller, like 0.620 inches, and not compatible. Okay, one more concept to share with you before we begin. This concept permeates everything I do in my business, and that is every part is a potential point of failure. With this in mind, I install my systems with the fewest number of fittings possible. There are other best practices I'll share with you in another video about drip system installation and repairs. Now to get started. In this project, this couple needed veggie and flower beds at waist height since they can't get on their knees anymore to do gardening. This could be irrigated from a normal sprinkler valve like this, but this project will be connected to a hose bib by way of a battery-operated timer that can be operated and programmed from a Bluetooth smartphone app. More on that timer in an upcoming video. It's the Hunter BTT100 model. It's easier to uncoil the tubing and lay it out when one end is anchored by something or held by someone, so I pushed on this swivel fitting and screwed it onto the timer, which is screwed onto a hose Y, which is screwed onto the hose bib. Being careful not to allow the tubing to kink while uncoiling it, I slipped it behind the shed and then to the veggie tables, not to be confused with vegetables. Then I installed a T and continued on to the next table where I ended it with a figure-8 crimp fitting. Be generous with the crimp, like about 5 inches. Then I went back to the T and put this container here to keep it in place. This is a spot where he won't be needing to step through anyway. Then the tubing was brought around front where it was terminated under the right table. All the half-inch tubing is placed so that he won't trip over it. After the half-inch tubing is set the way I needed it, I then got out the dripper line, which is 1/4-inch tubing that has emitters built in every 6 inches in a 100-foot coil. The flow rate of this varies a bit depending on your active water pressure in the tubing. Here is a chart showing the variance of this brand's tubing. I bought this tubing at Ewing Irrigation Supply. The black 1/4-inch tubing doesn't have emitters built in, so it's used to get water to the dripper line. It is attached to the half-inch tubing using a 1/4-inch connector and a punch tool. Then the black tubing is brought up to the table and I fastened the 1/4-inch ball valve to it and the dripper line. A jute staple is used to hold it in place. Here you see the 1/4-inch ball valve is in the off position. The simple way to lay out the tubing so that it doesn't kink due to hard turns is to simply coil it loosely. Again, I don't use T's or 90s when I don't need to due to the concept taught a moment ago. This also allows for more versatility if you want to change the layout. Once you have the length of the tubing the way you want it, cut it and insert a goof plug into the end of it instead of crimping it. You'll notice that there's a big end and a small end to the goof plug. The large end is for plugging holes in the 1/2-inch tubing as needed. You might be saying, but I don't want to plant my veggies and flowers in a circular pattern. Well, neither do I. See how the straight lines intersect the wet spots where the emitters are watering? Also remember this concept, that the irrigation device is merely putting water into the soil where the plants and trees draw the water up through their roots as needed. So let the emitters run long enough to saturate the planting mix in the tables. That's it. What I just shared with you are principles that you can modify and build on for your exact project. I will show you in an upcoming video how to create rows of tubing in a raised bed on the ground that has some great versatility. So be sure you like and subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you can get upcoming videos as they're released. Here are the 4 main tools I use for doing drip system work: pliers, a quick cutter, an easy punch tool, and a backup punch tool when the blue and white one doesn't puncture the tubing completely. Well, I hope that was clear and helpful. Let me know down below whether it was or whether it wasn't, and what I could do for future videos to make it more helpful. Also, let me know what videos would be helpful to you or someone you know, whether you are a homeowner, a renter, property manager, handyman, or someone in the green industry. I intend to make this library of videos uber complete with your help. So again, please like and subscribe and click the bell to be notified of the next helpful videos that are released. Thanks for watching.